Hello everybody, welcome back to another full ride POV episode. Today's ride on the agenda, the attraction, is going to be the Living Seas with Nemo. And it is such a fun ride, and I love the fact that it's part of the aquarium and everything, and it's just so cool. So stay tuned, it's going to be really interesting. You can see a lot of fish, a lot of cool things.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go. Oh, don't worry. Eyes overboard along the way.
Yes, have you seen him?
See who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
I can help.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking,
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
Can I get a little Hey, Snappy John. That's me. Let's hear now.
I wonder if clownfish
Stop fooling around.
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite.
gorgeous offspring! Awesome! Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo!
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
There you are, Nemo!
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
There you are, Nemo!
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
I'm Dory.
It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? There's so much to know in the big blue world.
I'm Chico.
It's Nemo.
We're ready to go.
There you have it. The Living Seas with Nemo, so much better than the attraction, the sort of ride that was there before.
I liked the one before too.
Well, before it was just sort of a ride through the
Yeah,
aquarium.
yeah.
I don't even remember what was before
I
that.
don't. I just
remember,
know I liked it.
I,
Nemo's
I
better.
do remember there was a tunnel where you could see like fish above you and to the sides and everything. They got rid of that. I think that's now the part where Crush and the turtles are like, and it's like that with like the EAC or whatever. But so I do kind of miss that part, but it's so much better with Nemo. I love the Nemo movie. I love Finding Dory as well, but it's a fun ride, and I like at the very end how they incorporate like the characters from the movie in the actual aquarium. I still don't know how they do that. It's so cool, like the little projections. And pay attention when you ride the starfish at the very end. He is so funny and cute if you pay attention. If you get him at the right time, he's talking. He or she, I don't even know if it's. I have no idea. But the starfish is very cute, and he keeps saying, "I really like the song," but he's like, they just keep singing it over and 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 over again. And then he starts saying stuff like, "Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place." Anyway, I think the starfish is hilarious. Pay attention. It's right there in the little crevice in the corner of the window right before you get off. I just think it's such a fun ride, and there's never a long wait. And I love the cue to the line as well. If you pay attention, it's like you're going under the water, and there's like the boats and like the water above you and everything, and you're supposed to be under like a pier and things. It's such a cute ride.
I
Did you
love
already
the Nemo
say?
ride. I love, like I've said before, I love dark, like relaxing rides, and that one is.
Yeah.
So I love it. And you get to see real life fish.
Real life fish and dolphins.
Sharks. Yeah, dolphins.
So there you have it. Thanks for joining us. Until tomorrow, the Noble Way
Is the easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.